Alright, ready?
I'm scared though.
Try not to scream.
He sends me some
Put your scarf in your mouth.
I know, but he sends me some scary videos.
Put your scarf in your mouth.
Okay, guys, this is a video from Brandon.
I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Oh my god. So scary. Replay it.
That was scary.
Replay it. Oh,
dude, are you shitting me? I ain't watching it. Hell no. No. Oh my god, I can see it from the reflection of your glass.
This is scary.
Why are you watching it if it makes you scared of me? My stomach hurts. That was hilarious. Do it again.